Okay, so it's second video for 27th of January, and I can't help but the price relationships are quite good today. So I'm taking a long in euro in this area at 416, and as I'm talking about it, I'm out of my pound position from the previous trade, but I want to take a long in euro in around 480, 420. So here we go, long in euro at 425. So this is the long in here, and the shop has opened just below 70, so it's around 266 in here. This is 15 pips and 16 pips, and let's see if we can draw back a little bit into the range. And the thing I don't like about this trade is, this came into this liquidity and reacted very nicely, so we might have to struggle with that. But I'm looking for a major chunk of my position out at around 13 or so, because not 13, but I would say 12 or so pips, if we could get something out of 12 pips. But let's see if it does give us that. And as far as pound is concerned, so we are done with pound in here, and just I marked this for my take profit area, this area, and not interested in pound anymore, because I think we might head deeper since we have still 40 minutes to London close. And but I do like a euro, very clean run into the level. But even a pound is very nice, but I just like the anatomy of euro a little bit more. But let's see. A discussion on stop placement. So this is my level where I took a long, and I just placed a stop just below in here at 266, because if the price has to hit our stop, then it has to come through this level and then through this pocket and then hit our stop. So generally before we get fully stopped, we manage our risk beforehand. So this is just a discussion on why I place a stop in here. And generally I think currently I'm seeing it's quite heavy right now. As you can see, every pop up is quite is just pushed down. So let's see. And I'm thinking of just moving my stop from -15 to above, just in here. So literally halving my risk. So let's see how this goes. But just going on a 1 hour chart, and you can see very bearish formation sort of shifting, and this is kind of the last point. The reason I took the trade in here is only that I don't think it breaks today. Might be next week. It could, but generally, it's the London is about to close in half an hour, and it's a Friday, so we just might not break today. Might fish around here, but let's see. Currently, this is not looking good. I think I'll just move my stop in here, because we might just continue downside from the looks on this 1 minute chart. As you can see, just not even able to get through in this area. So let's see how this goes. Also, this S&P, in the last video I talked about S&P could pop into this 4075 area, and it did. And currently you can see this point of release in the S&P at 4050. So this is your opening of the session, of the equity session, and currently providing a nice bounce in here. But the thing I'm looking in here right now is if it does come below and holds in here, then I think we might head much deeper. So this is nice that it's bouncing in here, which would help our euro trade a little bit. And but if we does take out this 4050 area, then I think we have much deeper levels, possibly into 3986 area, and this is the a little bit of a refined chart, so of the S&P, and popped a little bit higher than this level, and then currently drawing back in. It would be interesting to see what it does here. Which if it does holds here, then this might just help our euro trade. So here it is, and it's still maintaining the pressure. Yeah. Okay, so I had to get out from some position around here. I was not at my screen, so nor did I had a limit, so just missed this one. But when I came, the price was already trading up in this area, so I closed 80% of the position, and the shop is at break even now, and might even close it before the session for the day closes. But I think this position can be exited right in here, because I don't think it gets through this high, but let's see, might even close 10% of the position mode. So you can see SPY also a very nice bounce of that point of release that we talked about, and as far as pound goes, another run back up. So quite surprising that it made another run. I thought that this could just stall in here for the rest of the session. Let's see, but yeah. So this trade is done. I think I don't know if I think I just leave 10% of the position here and rest trail it. There's a possibility it could get here maybe on Monday next week. So yeah, that's it, the trade. And so this is the position going on right now, and you can see I took the profit in here, and this is a little bit left in here, so might even close something in here, 660 possibly. And let's see, so it was a very nice fair trade into London close and into this little inefficiency and gap. So this is done for the day, and I think I'm done for the session even. So let's see if there is something else. No, you could possibly you could take a little short up in this targeting this gap fill again, possibly. I don't think it since London has closed 10 minutes ago, so a very low probability it would extend into this area. It might because this is a little bit weak, but I think this is a very profound high. But let's see if something else comes up. This trade is well done now.